friends, it's Megan Elizabeth here with you all today. I hope you're doing fabulous and excited to share another October Tuesday tutorial with you. Again, featuring our same featured items. Once again, just as a quick reminder, if you want any of the 6 items from our supply sheet, I'm going to send you 2 free gifts this month. So any 6 that you get, you're going to get a free cardstock pack of your choice and a free A-size transfer. So just so you know and are aware, we're going to make a card using Rooted in Nature, and I'm using the dies as well as the stamps. It's not really going to be a fall card per se. It's just an everyday occasion card, in my opinion, but you can use it however you most want to use it. So what I did was I grabbed the die. This is the tree, which is in the die bundle and the stamp set, and I ran it through already my machine to die cut it out. So here is the tree and its little die cut. It's so cute. I love it. And then I have an A2 size card in Very Vanilla, which is what all this is. This is Very Vanilla. I'm using a sheet of the purple, which is, so it's a rich raspberry color here. And we're going to do some twine, and we're just going to make up this card. All right, so we're going to start with the card base and my ATG gun. I already have this cut down. It's a 1/4 inch smaller on each side. So it's a nice layerable chunk to give you a 1/4 inch around. And then I haven't decided if I wanted this to go directly on top, like super close like that, because that was already like a pre-cut shape, and I was gonna like do something with this and have it kind of be really tone on tone. But I'm thinking I want to cut this down just a little bit more. So right now, let's see, we're just gonna cut it down to just under, oh, let's go this way. This side seems a little more uneven. All right, we're just gonna trim it a little bit further down. I like that better, just a little bit more framed out. Now what I'm planning on doing with this before I put this on is wrap some twine around it for the 3D, and I'm doing quite a bit of twine around it, and the tape I already put on the back will kind of help keep it semi in place too. All right, so I kind of have that how I want it to be, so I'm going to place this right on top, and then we'll cut it and tie it off. I might need a little bit more tape, ATG, which is fine. I'm just wanting to do like these super simple, quick cards with this set because I think it's beautiful. I think there's a lot of diversity in what you can do for the beautiful fall time of year. I know a lot of people are already like full-blown into making their Christmas projects. I'm not going to start doing Christmas projects here until Black Friday. We're going to do our 12 days of giveaways starting Black Friday, and you'll see 12 straight consecutive days of Christmas crafting projects, cards, DIY gift ideas, and like I said, lots and lots of giveaways. I've done it every year. All right, so there's that. And now I want to stamp on this guy. And I'm just going to grab an acrylic block. You could grab your Stamparatus too. And we're going to use Tranquil Tide for this one. And you could, if you wanted to do like soft suede for the, well, I guess we still could. Should we do soft suede for the base and Tranquil Tide for the top? Or the roots, the stump, the bottom of the tree? I think we can do that. Manage to pull that off. All right, and then just best I can line it up on my die cut. I do typically prefer to stamp and then cut around, but sometimes for video purposes, like, I don't know, it's just easier sometimes when I'm videoing to have it already cut out and ready to go. Look how beautiful that is. The detail in that is kind of phenomenal. And I want it to go over top, so I'm going to use some dimensional adhesive on there. There we go. I'm going with, I want it a little higher, so we're just going to kind of stretch it a little bit higher. Tuck this down. It's so simple. Okay, now I'm going to use the one that says be strong, be happy, be you, which I've been really wanting to use, which I'm actually, I'm going to use it in a scrapbook layout as well. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to do it up in this corner. I am using Tranquil Tide. Be happy, be strong, be you. And then I'm going to use the metallic pearl dots. Just in a couple spots. Right on the front of the card. So simple. That is the card we are making for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and check out Nature's Poem as well as the Rooted in Nature bundle. I think it's just such a beautiful set. Again, it's very much something that can be used year-round with wonderful sentiments and phrases. You can go into Christmas, the fall holiday. The sprigs are beautiful for even summertime. The roots are just gorgeous. This tree stump I've done now a couple times on things, and it's just so fun. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day. Enjoy the moments, and I'll see you again soon here at Above Ruby Studio and by MeganElizabeth.com. Bye-bye.